TrueArt is a printing company that produces promotional calendars as well as commercial printing here in eastern Iowa. When my great-great-grandfather started this business, it was a letterpress company. In other words, we printed via letterpress technology. Everything involved a raised plate.
The manufacturing has changed substantially by going from handset type, originally wood, and then cast from hot metal lead, to what is digital now.
We moved into more commercial print and then purchased color printing technology in the late 1980s, early 1990s, and moved the business forward in that marketplace in particular. When we built the building, he realized soon thereafter that the bigger challenge was going to be replacing the equipment that went in it. And so he started on a process of replacing equipment and upgrading the technology that we used. And that technology was all throughout the production process that we use for the printing industry.
The Iowa Association of Business and Industry, the forerunner was the Iowa Manufacturers Association, which my great-grandfather, our founder, was able to be involved in starting that back in 1903. And when I started here in 1961, shortly after I sat down in my new office and before I got called up for military service, I remember my dad walking in with a dues invoice from Iowa Manufacturers, and he said, you know, this is something we've always been involved with, and I hope you'll be interested. And from that point on, I always have been. It has done wonderful things for our state, and we'll continue to with the great people that we've got involved right now.